this is Gabriel. I'm the CEO of Tapptitude. Tapptitude is a mobile product agency that works a lot with startups, and we help in three areas. First is defining products. So we do a lot of work in helping founders go from an idea to a fully defined product. Secondly is building their products. So we help them on all the product components, from front-end stuff to back-end to web components to testing and product management. And third, we help them as they grow their businesses as a product partner, taking care of everything that is needed in the product. When we do product definition phase together, we have three steps. The first step is we have a discovery workshop with you, where we go over like the product vision that you have, what is the business model you envision for such a product, and what will be the final details of the product itself, like user flows, like tech specs, and so on. After we have the discovery workshop done, we get into the wireframing phase, where our UX team will work with you to create the first draft of the wireframes, and then work together to refine that and lock it down as a proper experience of the product for the user. The third step that we have is the proper UI. Based on the wireframe that we've done, our UI team will create all the designs in the product, covering every possible flow and every possible screen. We also aggregate those designs into a working prototype so that you can have a clear understanding on what the experience for the user will be in the final product. Okay, so why do you need to define a product and go beyond your idea? There are two uses for that. There are two reasons for that. One reason is to do it for development, to do it for understanding what it means to build a product. And the other one is basically for fundraising, for getting other people to invest in a company. The things that you need for each of these two cases are a bit different. For the first one, which is to get an estimate or to get an understanding of what development would mean, you need a few things like tech specs. You need to understand what the platforms you'll use for the product, what the user flows will be, what the resources and what the constraints exist in your case. So if you do this with Tapptitude, the deliverables that you get for this specific purpose are user flows, specification documents, architecture boards, and wireframes. While for the fundraising, there are somehow other things. So you need to understand better what the problem is for you, what the market is, what the product vision is, what the competition is, so who has alternatives for that product, what the value for the users will be, how you will monetize it, what the team is, and what the secret sauce for building such a product is. So the additional documents that you need on fundraising, besides the technical documents that will define the product, are usually pitch deck to explain the whole vision about the business and the product, a lean canvas to show the business model, and the prototype to give the investors a feeling about the product itself. So just to sum it up, product definition phase is an essential step if you want to advance from an idea towards a product that is ready to be built and launched into the market. We at Tapptitude can help you go through this process and use our almost 5-year experience in building products to help you get that idea closer to reality.